Have you ever used a secret code where A equals 1 and B equals 2? If you have, you already understand the basics of algebraic substitution. It's the simple act of taking a letter, what we call a variable, and swapping it out for a real number to find a specific answer. Think of an algebraic expression as a recipe. The variables are the ingredients list, and substitution is when you add the actual amounts to see what you get. To cook it up correctly, there are two golden rules. First, always use parentheses when you plug in a number. Let's say you have the expression 3x and x equals 5. Writing 3 times 5 makes it clear you need to multiply. Without the brackets, you might accidentally write 35, which is a totally different thing. The second rule is just as important. After you substitute, always follow the order of operations. You probably know it as BODMAS or PEMDAS. Brackets and powers come first, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. For example, to solve 10 minus 2n when n is 3, you first multiply 2 by 3 to get 6, and then you do the subtraction. 10 minus 6 equals 4. This skill even handles powers. In the expression 2x squared plus 1, if x is 3, you must solve the power first. 3 squared is 9. Then you multiply by 2, which gives you 18. Finally, you add the 1 to get 19. This isn't just classroom theory. Substitution is the engine behind real-world formulas, from converting temperatures and calculating the area of a room to predicting how much your savings will grow. It's the fundamental step that turns an abstract rule into a concrete, useful number. Master this, and you're truly starting to speak the language of science and logic.